Hi everyone, my name is Shubham and I'm a trek leader at Trek the Himalayas. Today I bring to you one of the most beautiful pass treks in Himachal, the Buran Ghati Pass Trek. It is a crossover trek that connects the Pabar Valley in Shimla to the Sangla Valley in Kinnaur. Let us take a look at what makes Buran Ghati Pass such an incredible trek. A scenic drive from Shimla to Janglik and charming Himalayan hamlets with a glimpse into the Himalayan culture and architecture. The Pabar River flows alongside the route. Walk through the forest of oaks and rhododendrons with relaxing sounds of nature. Discover the mesmerizing Chandranahan Lake, the origin of the Pabar River. Fruit orchards of Barwa village add a delightful essence to the trek. Litham is one of the most scenic campsites, offering stunning vistas of Chandranahan Lake, Dhauladhar ranges, and snow-patched cliffs hiding the Rupen Valley. Walk through the lush and expensive Dayara Meadows. Pass through a forest of ancient silver birch near Dayara Meadows. Witness the daily life in Himalayan village like Janglik and Barua. In early summer, the pass itself is a block of ice, giving incredible rappelling opportunities. I am sure you are thrilled to experience all these by yourself. Let us discuss the itinerary now. Our adventure begins at Janglik, our base camp nestled approximately 160 km from Shimla. We are diving into the breathtaking world of Buran Ghati Trek. Our journey begins in the quaint mountain village of Janglik, the starting point of the Buran Ghati Trek. Starting our trek from the charming town of Shimla, we will drive past Roru, witnessing the majestic Pabar River wandering through the Himalayan landscape. As we walk through quaint Himalayan hamlets, you will experience the rich culture and architecture of this mystical region. The journey takes us through pine covers in Tangnu to Janglik. Keep in mind that the last ATM point is at Rohru, so make sure you withdraw cash. On the second day, wake up to a breathtaking valley view at Janglik. We will fuel up with a delicious breakfast before embarking on a trek to Dayara Thaj. The trail takes us through a beautiful climb, surrounded by oak and pine forest. After a gradual ascent through forest, we will step into the vast expanse of Dayara Meadows. The campsite is surrounded by mountains on all sides. On day 3, the adventure continues with an early start at Dayara Thaj, exploring the captivating meadows before heading to Litham. The trek to Litham treats us to a gentle ascent, passing through oak and pine forest, silver birch forest, and lush meadows. Day 4 is dedicated to the acclimatization as we embark on a trek to the stunning Chandranahan Lake and back to Litham. The 6-kilometer trek takes us to the glacial Chandranahan Lake, surrounded by majestic mountains. Spend time absorbing the serenity before returning to Litham. On day 5, we climb from Litham for 2 hours to reach Dunda at an elevation of 13,000 feet, offering spectacular view of Dhauladhar range. The trail follows the Pabar River, offering views of a U-shaped gorge and the first sight of the Buran Ghati Pass. Take a moment to relish the sight before moving onward. Arriving at Dunda, our campsite is surrounded by snow-clad mountains, setting the perfect stage for the summit of the Buran Ghati Pass. On day 6, brace yourself for the most strenuous day, a 10 to 11 hour trek through both ascending and descending routes, including the challenging Buran Ghati Pass. Ascending to the Buran Ghati Pass involves crossing boulders and navigating snow-covered trails. Descending, we use ropes on the narrow ledge, ensuring safety at all times. The descent takes us through forest of junipers, and after a quick slide down ice walls, we arrive at a riverside camp for a well-deserved night's rest. The final leg of our journey, on the 7th day, takes us to the Barua village. At Barua, you get to walk in the apple, pear, orange, and apricot orchards. Descending through pine covers and crossing a stream, we reach Barua village. The trail opens to Barua Khud Road, where our pickup is scheduled. As we drive back to Shimla, reflecting on the memories of the Buran Ghati Trek, we bid farewell to this enchanting Himalayan adventure. So this is how your days looks like on Buran Ghati Trek. There is not even a single boring day, and every day you get to experience something new. Do you want to know some more interesting facts about the trek? Here we go. Did you know that Buran Ghati Pass used to be part of an ancient trade route between Baspa Valley and Pabar Valley? The pass was a part of the ancient Silk Route and helped trade exchange with Kinnaur, which led to the flourishment of the Pabar Valley. Janglik, from where the trek starts, is the last village of Pabar Valley and also lies in the close proximity to the Jaunsar region of Uttarakhand. So you will get to see mixed culture beliefs in the region. The Buran Ghati Pass region is geographically quite significant. The rivers on the Pabar side of the pass pass flow into the Bay of Bengal, while the rivers on the other side of the pass flow into the Arabian Sea. That's what we call interesting. Now let's see how to reach Janglik to start your Buran Ghati Pass trek. This is mostly a moderate level trek with some aspects of difficulty as well. The scenery throughout the trail changes continuously, and also expect a lot of snow in the month of June. Crossing the Buran Ghati Pass may be a little challenging and also requires good maneuvering skills with a steep descent on snow and ice. Having the experience of 1 or 2 Himalayan treks proves to be beneficial while on the Buran Ghati trek. The best time to do the trek is during summer and autumn. During summer, the Buran Pass itself becomes a great wall of ice that you can rappel down. The snow starts melting in late June, and while there will be some snow close to the pass, but it may not be enough for you to slide down. During this time, the wildflowers also start to bloom and the meadows begin to turn into a bright shade of grey. Mobile coverage is available till Rodu. After that, there is no mobile network. During the trek, we provide comfortable twin sharing tent accommodations at the campsite and guest house stay at Janglik. Be prepared for cold temperatures and layer up properly to keep yourself warm. Also, the trek is moderately difficult, so make sure to take your fitness seriously and start preparing well before the trek. So this is all about Buran Ghati Pass trek. I hope this video really helps you to prepare for the trek. Stay tuned for more such videos on Himalayan treks. Do not forget to share with your friends and adventure buddies. Until then, keep exploring.